Hello and welcome to another CAD Swift user guide video. In this video, we will detail the 13th component of Infinite Openings, Opening Panel. Infinite Openings allows independent panel style settings for each separate opening. We have also extended this function to allow independent panel styles in a multi-panel opening. Click the icon to go to the opening panel page. Here, you can control every panel of every opening. In a configuration with multiple openings, it can be difficult to know which opening you are editing, as the numbers are IDs rather than sequential to allow for logical expansion of the assembly. Hence, you should ignore the number and access the correct opening using our efficient panel selection function on the Operable Elements page. You could also hit the Set button and then select the Opening Panel page via the page menu. From this page, you can also quickly access the subcomponents of the opening panel, which we cover in later videos. To define your panel, first select the style in the middle of the page. Next, decide whether you require styles and rails, remembering that the detail profiles can conveniently be represented as rectangles using our unique Model View option functions. If you choose to apply styles, then your next step will involve setting the guide hotspots to panel profiles and defining these profiles in 2D. If you do not wish to apply styles, then simply set the panel thickness, which would otherwise be defined by your style profile. Set the glass thickness and position, or you can use the panel glass component, which we cover in the next chapter. If you have not defined a style profile, you will want to set the border widths. You can apply oversizing values to extend the panel in any direction, as well as cuts to the head and base for precise situational requirements, such as floor coverings. Through the List Cuts function, you can determine whether your schedule reports the original size or the cut size of the panel. Finally, we can define the details of our panel infill by manipulating the size and position of mullions and transoms. For our louvre infill, you have all the parameters to define the precise situation, including elliptical and stage 2 blades. Once you have defined the panel style, make sure you save your configuration to the catalog so that it is available to apply to elements throughout your project and can be easily modified on a project-wide scale. Thank you for watching.